so much mga ka-vlog. Magsugod na po pabadlong sa inyo. So, I am here now to announce you, I am officially nagbalik ang inyong ka-Martes. So, kumusta ang inyong life? Mga bro. Let me ask you, why some people, or why some people, correct me if I am wrong, bakit ba kailangan mag-adjust ng isang tao? For what reason? Or maybe there are more reasons why. More reason. You know that already, so don't ask me about that. So, mga ka-vlog, hindi talaga yan sa buhay ang mga adjustment. O, pag di mo na kaya mag-adjust, so, kailangan mo na mag-let go for your happiness or for your peaceful mind. Pero kung kaya mo pa, just do it again and again. Just try it again and again until you decide what you want in life or what you want to do in life. So, huwag mo madali. Just think it twice, more, 1,000. Kasi, hindi naunang pagsisisi. Lagi nasa huli. So, paano pa babalikan ang lahat? Wala na. So, think it. Think. More. Para, hindi ka magsisisi sa huli. Yun lang. Happy New Year!